Hey world, it's your favorite chef, Chef Ricky. I know it's been a while. You haven't seen me, but yeah, dealing with some personal stuff, but we back on the grind right now. Again, don't mind the apron, don't mind the hat. I'm riding with my team. We gonna survive. Go Giants. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, let's get into this video. So, camera went down. Couldn't get to tape the process of making this meal. Anyway, this is a salmon and shrimp with yellow rice. Oh man, if you could, that's skin on salmon. Let's be clear. That's skin on salmon, and them big shrimp. That's them super jumbo shrimp. Look at the sauce work. Hey yo, that's not just butter. That's flavor right there. Come in with the broccoli. The side of broccoli. When I said those broccolis was cooked to perfection, they were cooked to perfection. And trust me, mouth-watering. So, again, don't mind my plating. Don't mind all of that. Again, I ain't, it's chef on TV, but I'm the chef on YouTube. So, let's go. You know what I mean? So, let me show you how that yellow rice look. Look at perfection. Look at the steam coming off of that. Okay. Your boy was doing a little something. Had to pretty it up. Put a nice little pretty flour on there. Again, people, hit the like and subscribe button for me to give you some more flavors. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I told you I'm a rider. Look at perfection. Look at perfection. Hit the like and subscribe button for more content. Yo, share, tell a friend. But nah, man, look at that. Look at that. Making you hungry right now, huh? I'm making you hungry, ain't I? Close out.